Hello, and welcome on BiBi TV. We have a special episode with some surprise eggs. White, blue, purple, red, green and yellow. First, we open the first one. Oh, we have here Masha and the bear. Masha and the bear. The next surprise egg is the red one. Oh, Star Wars surprise egg. Really cool. This is Chewbacca. A spaceship. Okay, the next surprise egg is the green one. Oh, what's that? Paw Patrol dogs. This is Chase and this is Marshall. Ruff, 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 ruff. Okay, the next one is the white one. Ho, ho, ho. Here we have Fireman Sam. Fireman Sam. Hello, boss. Hello, Fireman Sam. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, here we have the blue one. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? This is Oilette and Catboy. PJ Mask. Heroes. And here we have the last one. The purple one. Come on, let's take a look what we find inside. And here we have Peppa Pig and the little brother George. Okay, kids, thank you very much for watching. See you next time on BiBi TV. Goodbye.